I set a record for the Guinness Book in 2004. I set a record for the men's world record. Not the World Open record, but the men's world. 7.15 seconds. So my men's world record is better than the World Open record. And of course, that was one of my trophies, prizes.
Congratulations.
I've been competing since April of '89, and so far I have a total of 81 titles.
And the contest is in April every year?
Usually the third weekend of April every year, yeah.
And that's when we've got our folks coming to visit?
Because several years ago, a bear cub came on the town square, and they just said, well, let's have a festival. So they picked the same weekend as the World Championship. I've been here at the Consolidated Gold Mine for about 15 years. I give tours here. Plus, every April, we have the World Gold Panning Championships, and I want to invite you to come on down and give that a shot, or at least watch it. Really something to check out. Or come on down, we'll give you a tour. Gold panning comes with that. Learn how to pan for gold. Really something to check into. Come on, see us.